Hi, I'm Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad, and today we're going to talk about how to create income-producing activities daily in your business. You're probably asking, what is an income-producing activity? An income-producing activity is something that helps you move toward your desired goal. Because after all, we got into business and we created a business because we wanted to create additional income for ourselves and for our family. So income-producing activities is something that you do regularly, each and every day, to help move you toward your goal. So today I'm going to share with you three steps that are going to help you build income-producing activities in your business daily. Step number one. The most important thing that we need to work on as entrepreneurs is our personal development. Our personal development includes our personal growth. How do we become better each and every day? How do we become knowledgeable each and every day? How do we become better so we can serve our audience each and every day? Well, for me, personal development comes in the form of reading books, listening to audio tapes, following great leaders, and just modeling behavior, success behavior, each and every day to help me to reach the goals that I have set for myself in my businesses. Personal development is key. You can find content and resources anywhere. You can find a leader in your company that's doing it the way that you want to do it. You can go online, you can go to YouTube, you can go to a lot of different places where you can find other leaders who might be in your niche and in your space and help you to learn how to become better. You can mirror certain characteristics of what they're doing. You can learn about what they're reading, what their daily DMO, daily mode of operation is, how they function, how do they move, how do they get to where they go. Now, a lot of us, we get distracted because we look at what they've accomplished. We look at their money, we look at their lifestyle, but that's not the thing that you want to focus on in your personal development. You want to get a firm foundation as to how to build a solid, successful, evergreen business that you can move forward and you can benefit from. Step number two is we want to learn our market. Who is it that actually is suited for our product? Who is looking for us? Who wants to do business with us? When we join a lot of multi-level marketing companies, one of the things that they have us to believe is that everybody wants what we have. That the 3-foot rule, which is everybody that's within 3 feet of you, you should talk to. Anybody with a pulse. But the reality of it is, when you learn a skill like attraction marketing, it helps you to understand that if I know my niche, if I know who my crowd is, if I know who my audience is, and all I have to do is get my message in front of them, I will have greater success. So you want to learn your market. Yes, say for example, if you're in health and wellness, everybody should be healthy. But the question that you need to know, and the answer that you need to have is, does everybody want to be healthy? Does everybody want to use your product? But I guarantee you there are people who are looking for you, your product, your service, or opportunity. And when you find that group, it's much easier to find and do business with somebody who first you can build up your know, like, and trust factor with. But more importantly, someone who's actually looking for you. Instead of you having to hunt them, you become the hunted and they come to you. Step number 3. Model a leader. Find someone that's in your industry. Find somebody that you can connect with that is doing it the way that you would like to do it. That has the lifestyle that you want to have. That's having the type of results that you want to have. That's having the type of success that you want to have. But here, I want to caution you. Don't get caught up in comparing yourself to that leader. That's why a lot of people in the industry get frustrated and they quit because they think they're going to go from never building a business to being a multi-millionaire in a week. And it just doesn't happen that way. It takes time to build a business. You really want to be a successful entrepreneur, it takes time to build a business. So be patient with yourself. But if you're putting in good daily activities and you're creating good habits, you will get to your destination over time. So, guys, I just wanted to share this with you today. I hope that you got some tremendous value. If you are looking for more tips, strategies, and ways to build your business, I want you to go and connect with me. I will leave a link in the descriptions where you can connect with me. Follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter. Be sure to inbox me with any questions that you might have, because I look forward to helping you. So again, create income producing activities daily for your business. Be committed, stick to them, and watch the results roll in. I'm Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad, and I hope that you got tremendous value out of this video today. Be sure to go to my next video to learn more. Talk to you soon.